100. Holy shit. Holy shit, we fucking 100. Fuck, oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Look at that shit. 100. We did it. Peak. Get your ass on there, boy. What's that?
We on the roof. We on the roof right now. We might fall, but our subscribers ain't.
Oh. Oh, did you see this shit? That's for you. That's for you.
Last year, I think it was like
After this, we're drinking beer.
That's not true, bro.
I'm drinking water now, but you'll see.
Oh, okay.
So, you know,
Fuck nah, I see you at work.
I can't say it.
I can't. Don't hate me because I can't say that. No.
Some people, that's a low. Those are really low.
Those are really low.
Imagine they just fucking ignite everything out.
Oh, dude, imagine the trees just light on fire.
Imagine we light on
Some
fire.
California ass
POV
shit.
California, once a year.
Stop that.
What we thinking right now?
I could whoop Jackie Chan's ass.